Hi, you're watching Easy Speedy Recipes. Today we're making my easiest, tastiest breakfast ever, tomato cheese sandwich. Here is what we need: bread, tomatoes, cheese slices, butter, salt, pepper. The ingredients are on your screen and the same is also mentioned in the description below. Let's get cooking. Add butter to a pan. And once that's almost melted, you can add in 2 slices of bread. Flip the slices over. The buttered side must face towards you. Add the cheese slice to one of the bread slices and arrange the tomatoes on the other slice. Sprinkle some salt over the tomatoes and crack in your black pepper for a bit of spice. It is now time to flip your bread over to make the sandwich. You can increase the heat so the bread gets a nice brown color. Flip it on both sides till it's nice and browned. Press down the sandwich so the cheese becomes melty and gooey. Now your sandwich is ready to be taken out. Do try this recipe and tell us how it turned out in the comments below. You can have it with your piping hot tea or coffee for the yummiest 5 minutes breakfast ever. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to watch our other recipes and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified.